Hello students, I am Vijay Kumar, your maths teacher, and we are discussing class 8 chapter 1, a square and a cube. In the last video we were discussing how to find square of a number. That is 1 square is 1 into 1, 2 square is 2 into 2, that is 4, 3 square is 3 into 3, 9, and so on. So these answers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 etc. are called perfect squares or square numbers. Now today we will discuss some properties of square numbers. In that first property, if a number end with 2, 3, 7, 8, that is if a number its units place digit is 2, 3, 7, 8 or odd number of zeros are coming, we can surely say that it is not a perfect square. So if one number is given, here one example I have taken 142, and we can check whether it is not a perfect square. That is, here the last digit is 2, so we can say that it is not a perfect square. So according to the last digits, if 2 is coming, it is not a perfect square. 3 is coming, then also not a perfect square. And 7 is coming, then also not a perfect square. And 8 is coming, then also not a perfect square. And one more condition is there, that is odd number of zeros. That is, here I have taken some numbers 510. Here last digit is 10. That is, number of zeros are 1. And here number of zeros are 3. Then in the third case, number of zeros 5. And 1, 3, 5. These are odd numbers. So 1 0 is coming in the first case, 3 zeros are coming in the second case, and 5 zeros are coming in the third case. And this case also we can say that, surely we can say that it is not a perfect square, not a perfect square. So you have to remember this, numbers end with 2, 3, 7, 8 are not a perfect square. And also one more condition, that is odd number of zeros. If in the last place 1 0 is coming, it is not a perfect square. 3 zeros are coming, not a perfect square. 5 zeros are coming, then also not a perfect square. Now second property, that is, if a number ends in even number of zeros or 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, any of this digit is coming, last place, that is units place, then it can be a square number. That is, it can be square number means it is not sure. It can be. In all the cases, it cannot be a square number, but in some of the cases it can be a square number. That is, if you are taking 156, here last digit is 6, but 156 is not a perfect square or a square number. So condition is 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. Any of the digit is coming or even number of zeros are coming, there is a possibility is there it can be a square number. But 2, 3, 7, 8 is coming, then it is sure it is not a perfect square. Now next property, every square number can be expressed as the sum of consecutive odd numbers starting from 1. Now third property, every square number can be expressed as the sum of consecutive odd numbers starting from 1. So square numbers, I think you are remembering, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, etc. are square numbers or perfect squares. And odd numbers are, as you know, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 are odd numbers. And here the property says every square number, that is first square number is 1, that is equal to 1. 1 square is 1, and 2 square, that is equal to 4, and this second square number can be expressed as a sum of 2 odd numbers, first 2 odd numbers. And third square number, that is 9. Third square number is 9, and 9 we can express as the sum of 3 odd numbers. And 4 square we can express as sum of 4 odd numbers. 5 square is sum of 5 odd numbers. 6 square is sum of 6 odd numbers. So generally we can say that sum of first n odd numbers is n square, because here sum of first 2 odd numbers is 2 square, sum of 3 odd numbers is 3 square, sum of 4 odd numbers is 4 square. So generally we can say that sum of first n odd numbers is n square. So we have to remember this. Sum of first n odd numbers is n square. Easily we can find. No need to add this. You count how many odd numbers are there. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 odd numbers. So this sum will be 6 square. That is answer is 36. Now next we are coming. That is, what is the nth odd number? That is odd numbers already you know, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, etc. That is first odd number 1. Second odd number is 3. Third odd number is 5. So in general, that is nth odd number is 2n minus 1. So this also you have to remember. So if you know this nth odd number 2n minus 1, then you can find any odd number. Suppose if you are asking what is 36th odd number, so you can apply this. 36th odd number is 2 multiplied by 36, because nth odd number is 2 multiplied by n, that is 2n minus 1. So 36th odd number is 2 multiplied by 36 minus 1, that is 71. Similarly, any odd number, suppose 100th odd number, you can find by 2 into 100 minus 1, that is 200 minus 1, 199. So you can find any odd number using this, that is nth odd number is 2n minus 1. So the remaining part we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.